Ni kaunti ma Migori igeno ni dhi bedo kod dongruoge mago ma opogore kata mathoth kaluwore kod yar kaachiel kod bero mano ma bende sani to koro ibero godo paw ndeke mano malichota mayudore kaunti ma Migori. Joket mwandu kane twak kod jofwamb weche nowacho ni gintiere kod geno ni wechego mago ohala dhi bedo makare kaunti ma Migori kono kendo dongruok dhi medore malich miwuoro. Jogo ma bende tiyo e sekta no mano mar wuoth kanyo ma bende oting'o jogo mariembo taksi mawuok e kaunti ma Migori kono bende wacho ni sekta no idhi ting' malo kaluwore kod welo mago mathoth ma bende dhi bedo kamolo e kaunti no ma Migori ka okalo kuom paw ndeke mano ma lichota no. Ma oganda mathoth wacho kata ne omor kod chenro maket koda mano ma bende osebed ka itayo kod piny owacho mano mamalo mar chwalo dongruoge ne oganda jo Kenya moloyo to oganda go mawuok e kaunti ma Migori.
In fact, even before it is completed, it's already changing the economy of Migori. People who are transformative, people who have big ideas, unfortunately do not have the luxury of time. They are busy people. They want to efficiently and safely travel to their destination and get back. Any county without a functional airport or a functional airstrip has limitation in terms of access by people who are busy. One of the yardstick or one of the things that investors assess when they are visiting a county is that county accessible? So our airstrip is an indicator that we can be accessed by air.
Tunaweka pesa katika kupanuzi wa hii airport ya Lichota. Nyie mnanielewa? Hii terminal building itatusaidia kupokea wageni 500,000 kila mwaka. Na ni kwa sababu tunataka wale wageni wanaenda mbuga za wanyama hapa Masai Mara, wale wageni wanaenda nchi jirani ya hapa Tanzania.
Opener, and it will give a new facelift, not only for the hospitality industry, but general business across board. There are a lot of anxiety. We are expecting that business will really flow. We are expecting high influx of guests because of the improved infrastructure. We expect even other guests who are coming beyond Migori, for example, Nairobi, for example, and beyond. Migori, Nairobi is hardly 1 hour by air. So then that means access would be improved and business, as I said earlier, will definitely flourish. Given that with the increased access, we expect more guests, probably increasing our capacity would be something to consider. Maybe my room capacity with the business dynamics now, I have a room capacity of almost 64 rooms. That one serves well. But if we'll have an influx of guests, international guests, corporate clients, then any business person, any entrepreneur would actually scale up to meet the demands of the customers. This is a pointer. And for purposes of strategic planning, when a place is opening up, then we take advantage of such situations and even expand more. Yeah, with new things coming up and with improved infrastructure and everything,